Namaskaram friends. So in my background you can clearly see sun is just setting. Okay, birds are tweeting, squirrel is going here and there, crow is making a noise, and beautiful plants try to sleep because sun is setting. So they got their energy for the whole day and then try to keep it for the night. So through this video I am going to tell you whatever I am talking about in my previous video about nature, about space, about the human being. You can combine all together in one form called creation, because human being is the creation, sun is the creation, plants are creation, animals are creation, everything is a creation. Okay, and creator is present in each and every creation, because without presence of the creator, how we grow on every day, on every moment, how plants grow, how sun is revolving, how animals are moving here and there. That means in every creation creator present. Okay, even in the rock. Okay, maybe it take you can say large time to understand that it is also evolving like Himalaya, that it is also changing, but in terms of our time span it is not so much changing, because we have a very short span of time called 100 years. Rocks have a, let's say time, let's say million years. So in terms of million years, 100 years is like a minuscule. Okay, so everything is, every physical object is created, preserved and destroyed. So in this manner, in this video I'm trying to tell you, consider everything from an atom to an cosmos, everything as a creation, and also understand the creator is present in each and every creation. In each and every creation creator is present. Whatever you see here, okay, whatever you see here, be it every plant, okay, be it every flower, be it everything, be it every animal, whatever you see in my surroundings, everything is physical and everything is a creation, and it creator is present in each and everything. Even water is a life form. Creator is present within a water, within a soil, within a air, within a fire, within a space, where everywhere creator is present. Okay, so we have to understand that. Do not try to divide it in so many parts. If you want to divide, you can divide into infinite parts, but it is not so much, you can say, in our understanding. We cannot understand everything in this life form. Okay, so unite, that means consider everything as a creation, consider everything as a creation, and creator, what we call as a god, or whatever we consider as a great scientific endeavor. That means who is the creator and what is the creation. That means creation is, you are the creation, creator present within you. Plant is the creator, creation, creator present within it. Okay, so everything considered as a creation, and creator or source of the creation present within it. Okay, so do not try to understand environment, ecology are different than science and technology. Science and technology is different than mathematics. Mathematics is different than art. Art is different than philosophy. Philosophy is different than spirituality. You may give different name, but the core of the every, you can say, core of every subject is to find out the source of everything. Okay, we may, because each and every human have a short span of time and cannot experience everything, so people, by mastering one dimension, try to go to the core of the creation. You can master anything, whatever you like or whatever in need of the world, and through that you reach to the core of the creation. But requirement is, you have to be very conscious, you have to be very dedicated, you have to be very disciplined in this arena. Otherwise it is not going to happen. Okay, whatever subject you choose, let's say you want to, you enjoy playing. Okay, so play like that means at each and every moment try to play as good as try to become a good player, uh, and dedicate your time and energy and devotion, and show a devotion toward that play. Because each and every, as a human being, whatever required in any game is your physical body, involvement of your physical body, energy body, emotional body, bliss body, and mental body in a in synchronicity with each other. If anything is go here and there, you lose in any field, not in sports, in health, in, let's say, you want to become a doctor, where it play a role. Because what human being do, they use their this mechanism in a good way. Okay, whatever activity you want to perform, every activity is good, but activity which try to open as many dimensions of as mind is considered the most valuable and most important. Okay, because you have a infinite dimension in your body, in your mind. You have infinite memory in your body, in your mind. You have infinite amount of cells, infinite amounts of data embedded in your mind, because we have 84th creation. We have 8.4 million species. That means if you try to remember each and everything, you just become mad. No, this is not the way through which we conduct our mind, conduct our physical body, conduct our mental body, conduct our energy body. No, we have to understand that we have to use this mechanism as sophisticated as possible, because this is the most sophisticated machine. So we have to use at its best capability and try to open as many dimensions as possible, either by sports, either by knowledge, either by travel, either by spirituality, either by whatever. These all are path. Okay, and the solution of each and every path is to find out the creator, find out the source of the creation. Okay, so in whatever path you choose, at the ultimate, if you dedicate, if you devote your life in this regard, you reach to the core of the creation. Very few people do that, because the, you can say, energy or discipline or dedication toward that work is very, you can say, very few people do this, because this type of you can say uh, these type of good not good these types of traits, I'm sorry, these types of traits are present in everyone, but very few people utilize it. Very few people utilize it. Okay, so you can say, through my experience, I told you that whatever you want to do, you are like a kalpavriksha. That means whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve your life, you can do it, you can achieve it. Just focus on your work. Do it like it is everything for you. Okay, and dedicate your heart and soul to it. Okay, and this is the only teaching I try to give you from today's lecture, because this is not a lecture, this is just whatever I teach in each and every lecture, I try to apply in the reality, because what I teach is from the creation, and what I show you is the creation. Okay, so this is you can say, through pictorial form, or through seeing it in a video, you understand it, you see it. Otherwise, what I tell you is just a words, and you make up your own, let's say, images on the basis of that. So whatever image you base, everything is fine. Okay, so this is just a, you can say, a sample of everything. Okay, let's a tree, a plant is alive. Okay, in terms of color, green color, and you can say pink color. Okay, here you see grasses are life, green in color, and very rooted in the soil. Okay, here you see birds are flying alive. Okay, small tree, big tree. Okay, flowers on tree, no flowers on a tree. Okay, water bodies where different types of birds are flying, swimming. Okay, and you can again see a tree. Okay, and here is sunset. That means nature, space, human being, all these things are creation. We do not have to understand it in a separate manner. That means if we want to understand space, that means just talk about galaxy, star, blah blah. If we are talk about nature, to talk about animals, plants, birds, flowers and vegetables, fruits, whatever. When you talk about humanity, talk about yourself. All these things are just categorization. If you want to combine it with all our creator, all our creation, and source of creation is present in each and every creation. And this is the ultimate of every whatever subject you choose. This is the ultimate. Okay, so because we are a part of the nature, so we cannot separate ourselves from the nature. Otherwise we not survive. Okay, this is like a linkage, or this is, if one link is broken, then everything is collapse. Okay, like domino effect. Okay, so we are a part of the nature, so we have to understand that we have to live with nature. We have to live with nature, and also preserve nature, because we are not separate. Okay, we have to understand that we are not separate. Many people do not try to understand it, but we have to understand that and spread this knowledge that we are not a separate entity, we are a part of it. Okay, until we do not understand it, we are not making effort and not become conscious about preserving the nature. This is not a teaching, sir. This is just you are a part of the nature, and you destroy yourself. Okay, when you pollute air, who will suffer? You will suffer. When you pollute water, who will suffer? You will suffer. Okay. When you pollute soil, who will suffer? You will suffer. Okay. So we have to understand that these are not teaching, because teachings are just people see, understand, and think that very serious talk are going on and then forgot. No, this is a part of your life. Okay. Everything is a part of your life. You have to understand it. You have to understand it that if you not preserve, you as well as your future generation suffer. Okay. You love your child, but you destroy the planet Earth. So what you left for your future generation, for your children? A bad planet Earth on which on daily basis he suffer in terms of polluting and drinking polluted water, eating polluted food, okay, breathing polluted air. Okay, no, this is a bad thing. This is a very, very bad thing. We have to understand that uh, we make our planet so beautiful that our future generation take it as a gift. We gift planet, a good planet, to our future generation. Okay, otherwise they curse us. That means you destroy, you are not so aware that you destroy your own life of your own children. Okay, if you pollute air, if you pollute water, if you pollute soil, you are destroying the future of your child. Okay, this is not a joke. Okay, this is not a joke really, because wherever I go, I come here because I heard about it, because this place is very good, and it is very good, because most of the things are not touched by human being and preserve it as it is, and this is the good sign. This is the good sign, because where humanity come, they try to beautify it and destroy the core of its beauty. Okay, so in this on this place, many things are preserved as it is. That means left it as it is, and that's why nature find its beauty. Okay, that means in chaos, in chaos, you find order in each and every plant, each and every element, each and everything. So this is the beauty. This is the beauty of this place, and you can see in my behind, sun is just start to setting, a beautiful scenic panoramic view. So I hope through this lecture, through this video, you understand that what we have to do in our life and what we have to not do. Because by doing any unconscious thing, we destroy present as well as future generation. Okay, and also our ancestor think that whatever our ancestors give us a responsibility, we do not fulfill it. Okay, so we disappointing both our ancestor as well as our children. Okay, so we have to make this planet a good planet, a conscious planet, so that every life form living on planet Earth live a good life, a full-fledged life, and live a joyful life. And we spread this knowledge through whatever technology, whatever method we have, and invent new technology in the form of let's say machine, in the form of yoga, in the form of meditation, in the form of spirituality, so that other people take benefit of it and help other people. Because by helping only we reach to the ultimate. Okay, because we are in a chain. Okay, if any bead is missing, then the whole chain is look like a ugly chain or a bad chain. So we have to make understand the beauty of the humanity, understand the its different dimension, and try to preserve it and try to explore it, and give them a chance to reach to they got their true potential. Okay, so through this video I try to convey the many dimensions, but basically each and every dimension is uh, understand, become conscious, and understand each and every animate and inanimate object as part of yourself. Okay, be it stone, be it plant, be it animal, be it sun, be it rage, be it earth, water, fire, soil, space, whatever it is, each and every element, whatever processes going on, each and every moment, everything is considered as your presence. That means you are present everywhere, and it is the reality. Many people take time to understand it, to experience it, but it is the reality that what is happening here, and what is happening before you, and what is happening after you, in every moment, in every process, you are present. Okay, only people not realize that, people who are not conscious. Okay, so consciousness is the core of all the knowledge. If you become conscious, no one can stop you to reaching to the core of the creation, and uh, like act like a more energetic, more sophisticated human being on planet Earth. Automatically become it. People understand that when you go, your vibes, your energy are like your presence your presence is such that every people who sit near you or come in contact with you or touch you become so energetic and automatically become a bliss and a divine being. Okay, so make yourself a good human being, make yourself a good human being, and aware people that what require in this world is saving the planet first and then other thing. Okay, that means save the planet. Whatever effort required, we are able to do it on its best, and through technology, through experiment, and through other development, through innovation, through entrepreneurship, we try to ensure that we live a good generation on this planet, and also give the planet earth as a gift to our future generation. So I hope you love this topic. So namaskaram, thank you.